China is being fucking clever. Now look, the city of Shenzhen is looking to provide 30 million e-Chinese yuan, also known as e-CNY, to its citizens in an effort to rekindle local spending among consumers. Now, this is all in hope that the citizens are going to spend more money within the city, but are we sure this is going to actually stimulate the economy? So for those that aren't in the know, Shenzhen is China's second largest city, and it's actually collaborating with a food delivery app called Meituan Dianping on the airdrop project. Now, in order for citizens to qualify for the reward, users need to sign up for it within the Meituan app after they've successfully logged in, of course. And after that, they have the option of entering a contest for a chance to earn incentive prizes. If a user decides to transact in eCNY, they'll have access to more than 15,000 in-app merchant terminals that are all compatible with a digital currency that is controlled by the Chinese government. Now, by the end of 2021, the number of people in China who opened a digital yen wallet actually surpassed 140 million. This is around 10% of the entire population. Now, the number of individuals who are interested in purchasing the goods has also continued to rise, and this number is expected to be 260 million by the end of this year. And therefore, China is now really leading the worldwide race to produce digital currencies that are issued by central banks. However, around the globe, not everyone is quite satisfied with eCNY. At first glance, sure, it would seem that China is making significant headway with this new currency. The nation has previously conducted a number of pilot projects, and the asset is currently being utilized in a variety of different municipalities. But in the meantime, Bitcoin and other mainstream cryptocurrencies have actually been rendered illegal, despite the fact that one high court has actually stated that Bitcoin is protected under Chinese law. So look, concerns have of course been raised concerning the actions that China is taking regarding blockchain technology. There's even a proposed piece of legislation in the United States that would prohibit the use of digital yen within app stores, citing concerns over the country's economic and national security. So I think it's safe to say that there are a lot of individuals who are wary about the developments in China because they believe that there might be implications for national security. Let's talk economics for a minute. The People's Bank of China considered the eCNY as a potential means of assisting the expansion of regional economies and improving the effectiveness of certain financial services. The eCNY should be an integral component in getting consumers to spend more money while providing a boost to local companies. But we'll see. And you know, this is part of the reason why it's so bloody clever. China, like pretty much every other country in the world right now, has been hit badly by the COVID-19 pandemic. And whereas other governments were doing things like drastically reducing interest rates, which would have long-term consequences such as lower productivity, inflation, even liquidity traps, China is taking an alternative approach that doesn't have any detrimental effects on its economy whatsoever. And you know, I think China's experiments with the digital yen have been pretty successful, and they've pushed other countries to catch up. And it's one of the first countries actually to launch a CBDC on such a large scale, and tech-savvy Chinese, well, they seem to be pretty happy about it. In addition, there's actually a 2022 China metaverse, which focuses on making a metaverse another cutting-edge technologies. This has started up recently, right? China wants to utilize blockchain technology for both supply chain and administrative purposes, as shown by its strategy for the next 10 years. So my opinion here is that China is being very, very clever with their economic policy, and it's something that we should all look out for. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments. In any case, my name is Bradley. Thanks for joining us on another daily roundup, and I will see you tomorrow.